How to use I-LID N LASH. This video will demonstrate how to use both formats of I-LID N LASH, the wipes and the pump. To use the wipes, remove one from the container and close the lid tightly to keep the wipes fresh. Using a circular motion, gently rub eyelid and eyelash roots until debris is removed. For a more thorough clean, use quick strokes along the lid margin in the direction of the eyelashes. Use a new clean wipe and repeat the process for the second eye. Using the pump, pump a small amount of gel onto a clean cotton pad. Gently cleanse the eyelid and lashes in a circular motion, just like with the wipes. Repeat the same process for the second eye using a fresh pad. And that's it. Whether you're using the wipes or the pump, there's no need to rinse. I-LID N LASH continues to hydrate the skin around your eyes long after use. Cleanse and hydrate in one simple step. See the difference with I-MED Pharma.